in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or
Hey guys, what's up? It is Simone Sharice here, and today in this video I'm going to be working with MyFirst Wig, and we're going to be doing no baby hairs in this video, as well as making your look wig super natural. Really quickly guys, before we go forward, if you can just look in the upper right corner, I'm going to insert a poll, and I want to know if you guys are interested in me letting you in on my top 5 hair brands and the top least 5 favorite hair brands. If you're wondering, MyFirst Wig is actually one of the top 5s. Okay, so to get started on this video, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between before tweezing and after tweezing. So right now you can see the hairline is very full, and after you can see it's nice and gradient. It looks more natural and it's a little more thinned out in the front. Straight on to styling, well, installing. I'm gonna go ahead and use Gotta Be Glue gel, and you guys might have noticed I definitely go back and forth with Gotta Be Glue gel and the spray, and the reason for me doing that is sometimes the spray works way better for me during certain seasons, and sometimes the gel works way better for me in other seasons, and right now it's really a gel season. Something that I'm doing differently in this video is I am actually putting the gel on top of the lace, and I never usually do this, but I wanted to show you guys this only because if you're not sure about where to place your lace or how far to peel it back and where to place the gel, and you don't feel like doing cleanup afterwards, this is a better alternative. And when you're doing this, do not put a lot, put a very small amount, because the more gel you put, the more mess you will have, and it will kind of defeat the purpose of putting the gel on top of the lace. So I do this so that I don't have to worry about pulling it back and pulling the lace forward and then gelling and then all that mess. So if you like this alternative better, then go ahead and try it out. Now, as I'm doing this installation process, I am going to pull some hair forward. Yes, it is a no baby hair video, but we still want the hairline to look natural, so you'll see why I'm doing this later on in the end of the video. But when you're pulling out hairs forward, make sure it's a small amount, and I want to stress that to you guys because the more hair you pull out, the more unnatural it will look. I also should mention that I am actually cutting the lace as close as possible. This is another important thing to do if you're trying to get the no baby hair look. Do not keep a lot of the lace onto your skin, because the more lace you keep onto your skin, it's gonna look more unnatural. It's gonna be noticeable. People will be able to see it, you will be able to see it, and it will kind of just not defeat the purpose of you trying to melt your lace. So cut as much lace as possible without going too near to the actual wig's hairline. I also want to make clear that in the beginning of the video, I did have a stocking cap on, which is not usual for me. If you guys are, long-time followers, you guys know I'm always like, no, stocking cap. But once in a while, I will dibble in it and dabble in it. But if you are into this whole stocking cap thing, definitely keep it going. It does make a huge difference. Now, I said we're not doing baby hairs, but we really aren't. But you have to kind of do this process as far as cutting out short pieces of hair, just so that you can get them to lay the way you want them to lay, regardless if you're doing no baby hair or not. Eventually, you're going to see me go ahead and blow dry. I do want to make clear that for these next couple of videos, for the next couple of days that I might be doing, I am not using a hot comb. My hot comb broke, and yeah, I'm a little bit lazy to go ahead and buy another one. But right now I am utilizing my blow dryer to get the look that I need, which also very much so does the job, and you'll see when you get to the end. Key to having no baby hairs is to, when you're scooping out these hairs, the ones that we're gonna have lay flat in place of the baby hairs, kind of going in the back motion, is you want to cut them really short, and you don't want to take out too much hairs. Now, another thing about this wig that I love, oh wait, my favorite setting foam. I didn't link it in the last video, but I am gonna link it down below. My favorite thing about the setting foam, this wig, coffee's working. You can part all the way to like the middle of your head. And I always tell you guys, a wig looks much more natural when you have a longer part. So the fact that I can part way into my middle part goes way into the middle of my head makes a huge difference. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some foundation to just highlight my part. Now, I always tell people, do not use concealer, especially a concealer that's lighter than you. If you're gonna use concealer, make sure it's your skin tone and tonal, because when you're using a super light concealer, you are going to have a highlighted part in real life and in pictures, and to me it doesn't look right. That's my opinion, and it looks like a bright light. I used to do concealer back in the day and it looked crazy. So for me, I would say try to avoid it and use foundation if you can, but if that's your bread and butter and that's what you like, then go ahead and do it. Don't listen to me. This looks so good though, like me just pulling it back, it looks so natural. I love it. I was just trying to give you guys some options, so that's why I'm just like pulling it back just to see. But I love it. It looks really, really, really good. And it's so funny because you guys are always like, no baby hairs, try it without no baby hairs. This was actually my first wig's idea, to try doing a wig with no baby hairs. And usually I'm like, but this time I actually tried it, and I'm not gonna lie, I was very proud of myself for, you know, trying something different that I haven't done in a while, because it's been a while since I've done this whole no baby hair thing. But I absolutely loved the hair. I loved the way the outcome came out, and I'm impressed. I would say it took me a total of maybe 2 hours to complete this entire wig and style it, including the plucking. They already sent the wig to me bleached. But that's pretty much all what I'm gonna say, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the end style. What I am gonna do down below is I'm gonna link the products to my blog, so definitely make sure you click the link down below for all the products that were used in this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Continue watching if you want to see how the end of the video came out.